Welcome to your walkthrough to your new EMD UK Resource Hub. This is the EMD UK Resource Hub updated for you to make it more user-friendly, more engaging and more fun. When you first get access to the new EMD UK Resource Hub, created in partnership with LearnWorlds, the LearnWorlds Hub will send you an email asking you to update your password. As soon as you've clicked on that and updated your password, you'll be directed to this login page where you can get started and access all of the resources that your EMD UK membership gives you access to. So once you have your new password, simply click the Get Started button and you'll fill in your details. You'll then click the Login button and you'll be directed to this page. This page is the welcome page for our Instructor Resource Hub. We're thrilled to have you here as an EMD UK member, and we hope you really enjoy the new hub and everything that we've created for it. It's designed specifically for you and created to make it more engaging and more interactive so that you can enjoy our resources in a much more dynamic setting. Don't worry though, everything that you're looking for from your membership is still here. So everything from our webinars to our resources, our videos, our templates and our guides, business tools to help you manage and grow your business, and also community content from members of the group exercise community. When you're ready to have a look at your resources, all you need to do is scroll down and you can explore all of them here. This navigation section allows you to browse between all of the categories that we have available. Simply hover over the category section and you can scroll through anything from Aqua to beginner-friendly cast content, all the way down to GDPR, health and safety, and right down to safeguarding and webinars. So if we want to give an example, here is our business and marketing resources section. This includes all of the business and marketing resources you could need to help you navigate being a group exercise instructor, ways to monetize your online workshops, ways to understand music licensing, how to master the art of online group exercise businesses, our webinar recently with Anna Martin, and much more. You can navigate from here, you can scroll back up, and you can look at another section simply by selecting another item in the categories list. If you ever want to go back to view all of the resources in one go, simply click the All button. If you want to review all of the courses that you have personally taken or that you've personally started engaging with, simply click My, and it will show you all of the courses that you're currently active in or ones that you've completed. If you want to show any courses that you've not engaged with that you might be interested in trying, simply click the Not Viewed section. And for courses that are popular across the platform, click our Popular category. If you want to navigate to your profile, you simply do so by hovering over the profile icon at the top and clicking Profile. This will take you to your profile where it will show you how many courses you have available to you, the number of hours you have available of learning, and any achievements that you've earned. Achievements that you do earn by completing courses and engaging with different resources will turn up here. Any courses that you are currently undertaking or any courses that you are partway through will show up in this courses section. At any point, if you want to navigate back to the My Resources area, simply click My Resources and it will take you back to the overarching Instructor Resource Hub page. If you want to edit anything for your profile, hover over the profile icon again and select Account. This will allow you to update all of your user details, your name, your email address, your passwords, and your courses. Again, when you're ready to navigate back, simply click My Resources. We really hope you enjoy using our new resource hub. It's really exciting to see such a dynamic setup, and we hope you really enjoy all of the different gamification elements and all of the different interactivity aspects that we've created for you. Please enjoy.